Lino Edgardo Schram Cayetano, born January 4, 1978, is a Filipino politician and television director who is the general manager of the People's Television Network since 2026. He previously served as the mayor of Taguig from 2019 to 2022, representative of the 2nd District of Taguig from 2013 to 2016, and the barangay chairman of Fort Bonifacio, Taguig from 2010 to 2013. Before entering politics, he was a television director for several programs on ABS-CBN. Cayetano was born to a political family based in Taguig. His father was former Senator Rene Cayetano. His older siblings, Pia and Alan Peter, are incumbent senators. And Alan Peter's wife, Lonnie, is the incumbent mayor of Taguig. Lino Cayetano was born on January 4, 1978, to Filipino politician Rene Cayetano and German-American school teacher Sandra Sandy Schram Cayetano. He has 3 older siblings: Pilar Juliana, born 1966, Alan Peter, born 1970, and Rene Carl, born 1973. Cayetano received his Bachelor of Arts degree in Film and Audiovisual Communications from the University of the Philippines Diliman in the 1990s and later received a diploma from the New York Film Academy. By the early 2000s, Cayetano was teaching film classes in Up Diliman. Cayetano started his directorial work in 2003 for the first season of GMA's talent reality show Starstruck. In May 2004, he directed an episode of Malalalamo Kaya about the life of his father Rene, entitled Upuan. Cayetano then collaborated with Mario J. de Los Reyes to direct to television dramas in ABS-CBN, Emga Angle Na Walang Langit, and Kala Lily. He also directed the singing competition series Little Big Star. Among other notable projects that he directed for ABS-CBN are the television series Ariana, Noah, Tanging Yaman, Kunakui Iwan Mo, Growing Up, and several episodes of the anthology series Ipaglaban Mo and Malalalamo Kaya. Cayetano returned to directing in 2016 as one of the directors of ABS-CBN's primetime drama series My Super D, together with Frosco Mortas, after a 3-year break. After his mayoral stint, Cayetano returned to directing in 2024 as one of the directors of ABS-CBN's primetime drama series High Street. In 2025, he directed the thriller film Salvagelant. In 2026, Cayetano served as executive producer of the limited series Drug War, a conspiracy of silence through his production company Rain Entertainment. Set during the Philippine drug war under President Rodrigo Duterte, the series was initially revealed by Cayetano and other crew members at the Asian Contents and Film Market in Bisan, South Korea in October 2024. In 2026, Cayetano was appointed as general manager of the state-owned People's Television Network by President Bongbong Marcos. In 2010, Cayetano finally decided to enter into politics as a barangay captain of Fort Bonifacio. He was later elected as congressman of Taguig's 2nd District in 2013 at the age of 36 and under the Nationalista Party in his first days in office. Cayetano filed the Iskler NG Bayan Bill that first implemented in the city. In the bill, all graduates and top 10 of their classes from high schools automatically become scholars in state-owned universities, including the University of the Philippines. Three years later, he filed the certificate of candidacy to seek a re-election as representative in 2016, but he decided to withdraw to give way to his sister Pia as his replacement. Pia eventually won the race. In 2019, he successfully ran for mayor of Taguig, succeeding his sister-in-law Lani Cayetano. He served for only one term as mayor and stepped down in 2022. As mayor, he supported President Rodrigo Duterte, calling himself a certified DDS. In 2024, he filed his candidacy to run for representative of Taguig Pateros' 1st District in the 2025 Philippine general election. Among his campaign promises was the creation of a 3rd congressional district for Taguig representing the Embo barangays, which were then newly transferred to Taguig from Makati. However, on October 30th, the Election Registration Board (ERB) of the Commission on Elections in Taguig rejected Lino and Fia Cayetano's application to transfer their voter registration to Taguig's 1st District, citing unmet residency requirements. He ran under the Bidateo ticket, opposite to Lani Cayetano's Team TLC. However, he lost the race to incumbent Representative Ricardo Aiding Cruz Jr., who was once his vice mayoralty running mate in 2019. In October 2025, Cayetano made a statement toward remarks made by his brother, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, proposing for a mass resignation from the Philippine government and holding a snap election amidst the flood control project's controversy. I agree with my brother Alan and ask that we start with ourselves. Give up power. If you truly believe what you say, then trust and have faith that if some of the old guards step down now, it will inspire others to follow. I will support further that no Cayetano should run in 2028. personal life, Cayetano was involved in different relationships with Crisoc Lino, Shayna Magdayao, KC Concepcion, and Bianca Gonzalez. Cayetano is married to former Ateneo Lady Eagles volleyball player Fia Kangolt. Cayetano and Kangolt met each other in an all-star volleyball tournament in the summer of 2013, with their wedding held later that year on December 27th in Mactan, Cebu. The couple's first child is a son. On August 8, 2016, the couple had their second child, a daughter. On March 3, 2018, their third child was born. In February 2003, Lino donated a portion of his liver to his ailing father, Senator Rene Cayetano, who had been undergoing treatment for hepatitis B at the USC University Hospital in the United States. Rene later died due to complications from liver cancer in June 2003. 3 months after his liver donation, Lino participated in a triathlon to demonstrate his good health to his father after the latter expressed concern for his organ donation. He was also a player for the UP men's volleyball team. Cayetano is a born-again Christian. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the spectacular world of 1,000 vlogs.